Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Glossybox unboxing November edition. Before I do this, I did an unboxing on my Instagram because I thought I'd do it on two platforms, just in case some of you don't follow my Instagram and just in case some of you don't follow my YouTube or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Glossybox did actually send me an email. Basically, when I first got the box, my product card wasn't the same. I was missing I got a different product on the product card, but they did send me an email, which I think is really good of Glossybox. Now that is just so amazing that they did that. They didn't have to email me saying you received an incorrect card, and I don't mind that. I don't mind, because as long as I get the products that I want or the products that they're doing, I don't mind. So as I saw, I was supposed to get the apparently on this, I was supposed to get the Leave On Me autumn mask, which was full size, and it's £35. Now I don't mind that I received the incorrect card. I don't mind. I'm still gonna love the products either way, but I want to thank Glossybox Glossybox don't know who I am, so I want to thank Glossybox for basically saying thank you so much for sending me their email. You didn't have to, and I'm so happy that I got the products that I got. So it's already open. Let's go for it. So the first thing we have is a hair mask. Now I have really short hair, as you can see my hair is really short, but I will still use the mask anyway. I will probably get about 4 to 5 uses out of this. This is 2 to 3 uses. I won't do it all over my hair. I'll probably just do it on my top bit of my hair, and this will probably last me 4 to 5 uses. This is an argan from Moroccan Oil Hair Husk Clean Beauty, repairing, deep conditioning, strengthens and stores dry, damaged hair. And oh my good, it's colour safe formula. I do like it. So you put it on clean wet hair, focus on damaged areas, leave on for 10 minutes and rinse well. Each package contains 2 to 3 uses, 4 to 5 uses probably for me, because I'm just going to do it on my top bit and that's it. That's all I need it for. Can't wait to try this. The next one is a mask, and this is the Bella Professional Recharge and Restoring Purple Smoothstone Glitter Gel Mask. I can't wait to use this. It's a glitter mask. Use this hydrating mask to help leave your skin looking radiant. Containing skin conditioning, caffeine and cleansing charcoal powder. It will help to rejuvenate and revive your skin. Enriched with moonstone extract and glitter particles to help leave your skin feeling fresh and bright. I can't wait to try this out with you. I will try the masks. We'll try the face mask on camera for you so you can know what they are like. That's another one. And this is the one where I got instead of the autumn mask, which is a different card, but it's this one. This is it, and it is a mask, and it is Refine, Brighten, Illuminate and Nurture. Apply an even skin layer. It's made in Australia. I can't wait to try it. It's purple as well. And how does it smell? Like, I'd like to know how things smell. Oh, that smells really nice. I like that smell. That smells gorgeous. That smells really nice. Next thing that I got is a brush. Just going to put my box down for a minute. I got a brush. I've never used Spectrum brushes. I'm kind of a Morphe or Exo or Real Techniques or cheap brushes. Never used Spectrum brushes, but I have been wanting to try it. Whoa! It fell out the packaging. So this is what it is. The Spectrum Zodiac. Vegan and cruelty free. I like that. BOS Talk Free Blender Brush. I love it. Can you see how good that is? Like, oh my god, I can't wait to use this in the eye. Every time I do makeup, I try and have my brush down there so I get like a softer blend. I don't want a harsher blend, I want a softer blend, so I try to hold it back up here. But I got a brush as well, which I am actually excited for. Pop that into my brush set, my cup with my brushes in. A palette. This is the LA Splash eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, look at that. Upside down, it's fine. I have done swatches and they're such beautiful. It does come with a little mirror inside, but look at these colours, man. Look at them. I will do a first impression on this as well. Anything I get new on makeup, I will be doing a first impression of. You're not alone, don't worry, and it will be my honest feedback. I love just doing reviewing makeup because I like to be so honest with you guys. All you will get from me is honesty with makeup and to see if I like it. I do basically say nearly every time, not every time, sometimes I do say not every product works for every skin type. We all have different skin types here. But this is what I got. I got an eyeshadow palette. Can't wait to use the eyeshadow. Can't wait to use the eyeshadow palette. But yeah, I got it, and it's so good. Let me just put the brush in there as well. I can't believe it. So yeah, this is the unboxing. Hope you do like this video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.